Need a fast way to keep track of reminders, to-do lists, or important ideas on your Windows 11 computer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use sticky notes from start to finish, including creating notes, organizing them, and syncing them across your devices. First, click the Start menu and type Sticky Notes into the search bar. Select the app from the search results to open it. If this is your first time using sticky notes, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Once the app opens, select the plus button to create a new note. A blank note appears instantly, and you can begin typing right away. So Sticky Notes automatically saves everything you write, so there's no need to manually save your work. You can click inside any note to edit it at any time. Resize notes by dragging the edges, move them anywhere on your desktop, and change note colors using the menu at the top of each note. Yeah, these simple options help keep everything organized. If you create lots of notes, open the notes list to view them all in one place. Use the search box to quickly find notes by typing a keyword. Color coding and clear note titles also make it much easier to stay organized. To keep your notes available across supported devices, sign in with your Microsoft account. Sticky Notes can automatically sync your notes, allowing you to continue working on another Windows computer or access them through supported Microsoft apps. And that's how to use Sticky Notes on Windows 11. It's a lightweight tool that's perfect for keeping reminders, ideas, and daily tasks organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows 11 guides, and thanks for watching.